everyone, get ready for another fun day with our favorite doctor, Doc McStuffins. So, Doc, what are we going to do today? Well, it looks like we're just going to have to wait till our first customer comes in. I have a feeling someone's going to be coming in any minute. Hey, look, it's our friends from the Little Charmers. There's Hazel and her little pet kitten, Seven. Hi, guys. It's nice of you to stop by. What's up? Hi, Doc. It's good to see you. Well, unfortunately, this isn't a play date. My little Seven is... Oh, poor buddy. He seems to have the hiccups, but they've been going on all day long. See what I'm saying? So I was wondering if you had any sort of doctor medical way to get rid of them. That way we can go back to playing together and doing a bunch of charms. And I don't want to do a charm because I'd hate to mess it up. Oh, it's okay, Hazel. Don't you worry. I'll give Seven a checkup and he'll be out of here in no time. Alrighty, Hallie, let's go. I'm right behind you, darling. Don't you worry. So, Mr. Seven, how have you been feeling today other than the hiccups? Okay, the doc will see you now. Hey there, Seven. Don't you worry. We're gonna get these hiccups gone before you know it. Here we go. Look right in here. There we go. Now, say ah with your tongue sticking way out. Oh, poor buddy. Okay, well, I have a diagnosis. It's definitely the hiccups. But other than that, you're okay. So now let's think of a way to get rid of these hiccups. Anything, Hallie? What do you think? Well, I've actually heard of a way to get rid of hiccups by standing on your head and being upside down for a bit. Want to give it a try there, Seven? How you feeling there, Seven? Oh, man, so close. What are some other ways we can try? I've heard of people sticking plugs into their ears. Let's see if that works. Anything, Seven? How you feeling? I said, how are you feeling? I said, how are you feeling? Oh, Now, Doc, are you sure that trying a charm wouldn't be able to fix him? 'Cause I got a few of them on my sleeve. I could probably whip something out really quick. Hazel, I don't think that's a good idea. Let's just try a few more methods, and then we may come back to it. Okay. You know, I've heard of people eating crazy foods to get rid of their hiccups. Like peanut butter or pickles. You want to try that? Ew, Seven. I think she said either pickles or peanut butter, not both at the same time. Yuck. Oh, hey, little kitty, why don't you try holding your breath? I've done that before and it's worked. Now, Seven, don't hold your breath too long or you might pass out. It's okay, little guy. Don't worry. I think I have a good idea. Wait right here, Seven. I'll be back in a jiffy. Oh, this is gonna be good. Well, what are you doing, Miss Hazel? Well, I thought we could give him a shot. How about that? Silly little Hazel. There are no shots to get rid of the hiccups. Oh, man. That would have been pretty funny, though. Does he like to be tickled? We could tickle him until he stops hiccuping. Meow. Hey, that sounds like a good idea. Tickle, tickle, tickle. I'm gonna get you. Oh. Okay, so he's not a fan of the tickles. But nice idea. Where's Doc McStuffins? I hope she didn't give up on us. Okay, I'm back. And I brought a friend with me. Okay, turn around. Thanks, Hulk. I really appreciate it. What we were trying to do is make our friends get scared so much that we scare the hiccups right out of them. I hope it worked. Bye, Hulk. Bye, Doc. How do you feel? Yeah, okay, you got a little spooked, but do you have the hiccups anymore? Meow! Awesome, Doc, you did it! That's my girl, the greatest doctor around. Way to go, Doc. There you go. All he did was scare them right out of you. The funny thing about hiccups is that nobody really knows how to cure them. They're just really funny, and they come and go every once in a while. Everyone gets them. But I'm glad you feel better, Seven. Playing with Doc McStuffins and all of her friends, helping animals get better is so much fun. For more fun videos with Doc McStuffins helping other animals, or even the little charmers, subscribe right up here to the Engineering Family. We've got lots of funny and cool videos, especially ones with Doc McStuffins helping other animals. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you really like this video. And today's spelling word is hiccups. 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 Hiccups are always so funny, and everyone gets them every once in a while. And there are always so many funny ways to get rid of them. Whether it's holding your breath, doing a handstand, or even getting scared. Do you get the hiccups every once in a while? I'm sure you do. What are some funny ways that you get rid of your hiccups? Well, let us know in the comments. Bye, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.